And then when I started reading the write-up, I told my seatmate, my friend, hey, these are all true. I know these are true. And then I started narrating naman my version of my actual experience with him in school. I'm taking my AB Psychology in Ateneo. First batch ako ng co-ed doon eh. And he's been a schoolmate. So, ako naman, I don't have anything against Noy-Noy or whatever. Ang akin lang naman is to share what I know. Because when I saw the write-up of Tomcat, whoever he is, it's true. What he said there, I agree. That's why I touched my friend. Hey, look, these are true. Totoo to. Then he asked me, paano nalaman? Hey, he was my schoolmate. I also have some experience with him during my days in college. And then, the most important thing siguro, he will remember me when I say, my special corner at the canteen of the Bellarmine Hall, second floor. Siguro makikilala na niya ako kung sino ako.